There are two main options. The first option that we probably used most commonly are valves made from animal valves, pig valves and cow valves. And the second option are man-made mechanical valves. Choosing between an animal valve and a mechanical valve is really important. The mechanical valves last almost forever, but because there's an increased risk of blood clots forming on the mechanical valve, you must take a blood thinner for the rest of your life. So what are the pros and cons of using animal valves? The main disadvantage of an animal valve is that it isn't going to last forever. But one of the big advantages is that you don't need to take a blood thinner to avoid risks of blood clots and strokes with animal valves.